Hello guys, my name is Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can create playlists on your YouTube channel so that you can use it to arrange video share on the internet. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type youtube.com. So on the top right corner, click on sign if you have not signed in. Yeah, I've already signed in. So on the top right corner, click on profile picture. And click on YouTube Studio to log on to your YouTube Studio web portal. So this is my YouTube Studio web portal. Here you will find video that I upload or my playlist on my YouTube channel. So to create additional playlist, this is the video if you want to upload it. So to create another playlist, click on new playlist and give the title of the playlist, give the description. If the video is about Yahoo Mail, you can create a playlist for Yahoo Mail. If it is Google, you can create a playlist for Google, so that all the video in Google product or Google features, you can upload it. It's in the playlist of its specific name. So this playlist is for Yahoo Mail. So after enter, click create. This will create the playlist for Yahoo Mail. So to upload the video, I'll give a description. Click on the playlist. Then you give the description for the playlist. If the playlist is for public or private, specify. Then you can give a short description about the playlist. Let's zoom this playlist for videos. Give a description for it. That you click on save to save the description. Here you can make the playlist public, private, or you can save it. I will choose the playlist for public. After that, you can upload the videos in the playlist by clicking on the top right corner. Click on uploads. And you specify the video location. Select the video. And upload it. Clicking on the video that you want to upload it. That I click on open to automatically start uploading the video to the player list that you created. That's your player list. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. How you can player list for your YouTube. The description. Click on link to the post. Find more information on our website on how you can create a YouTube player list for your YouTube channel. Thank you.